If you've ever wondered how people place bets on sports using their phones and manage everything in real time without needing a laptop or a betting shop, then today's guide is going to walk you through exactly how it works, using one of the most well-known platforms in the world, Betfair, which you can access directly through its mobile app or mobile website at Betfair. Now, before anything else, it's important to understand what makes Betfair a little different from traditional sportsbooks. On most betting platforms, you are betting against the house. But on Betfair, you can actually bet against other users. That means one person is backing an outcome and another person is laying it, which basically means betting against it happening. This system is called a betting exchange, and it is one of the reasons Betfair has become so popular among experienced bettors who want more control over their odds and betting strategy. When you open Betfair on your mobile device for the first time, either through the app or your mobile browser, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and structured the interface is. Everything is designed to help you move quickly from one sport to another without confusion. You'll typically see sections like football, tennis, horse racing, basketball, and live betting. The layout might change slightly depending on your region, but the overall experience stays very similar. To get started, you'll need an account. On mobile, the registration process is straightforward. You'll tap on the sign up or register button and you'll be asked for basic information such as your full name, email address, date of birth, and sometimes your phone number. You'll also be required to verify your identity. This is a standard process for most licensed betting platforms because they need to comply with regulations and ensure users are of legal age in their region. Once your account is set up and verified, you can log in and access the full platform. At this point, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the mobile dashboard. On the homepage, you'll usually see featured matches or events happening that day. If there is a big football match, for example, it will likely appear at the top of the screen, with live odds updating in real time. Now let's talk about how to actually place a bet on mobile. When you tap on a sport like football, you'll see a list of upcoming matches. Each match will display different odds for outcomes like home win, draw, or away win. On Betfair, these odds are constantly changing because they are driven by user activity in the exchange. When you find a match you're interested in, you tap on it and it opens the betting markets. For example, in a football match, you might see markets like match odds, over/under goals, both teams to score, correct score, and more advanced options depending on the event. If you want to place a simple bet, you select the outcome you believe will happen. Let's say you think Team A will win. You tap on their odds and a bet slip will appear. This is where you enter how much money you want to stake. The app will automatically show your potential profit before you confirm the bet, which helps you understand what you could win if your prediction is correct. Before you finalize the bet, you might notice two options depending on the market: back and lay. This is where Betfair becomes different from regular sportsbooks. If you click back, you are betting for something to happen. If you click lay, you are betting against something happening. For example, if you think a team will not win, you can lay them, meaning you profit if they lose or draw, depending on the market rules. Once you confirm your stake, you submit the bet and it will appear in your active bets section. On mobile, this section is usually easy to find at the bottom or side menu. Here, you can track all your ongoing bets in real time. One of the most exciting features of using Betfair on mobile is live or in-play betting. This means you can place bets while the match is happening. The odds change every second, depending on what is happening in the game. If a team scores a goal, the odds will shift immediately. If there is a red card, the market adjusts again. This creates a very dynamic experience, where timing becomes extremely important. When using in-play betting on mobile, it's important to stay focused because odds can move quickly. The app usually updates in real time, so you might see a price for a few seconds and then it disappears or changes. This is normal for exchange betting platforms. Another key feature on mobile is cash out. Cash out allows you to close your bet early before the event finishes. For example, if you placed a bet and your prediction is going well, but you want to secure some profit or reduce risk, you can click the cash out option. The system will calculate a value based on current odds and offer you an amount to settle the bet early. Depositing money on Betfair Mobile is also simple. Inside your account section, you will find the cashier or wallet area. From there, you can choose payment methods depending on your country. Common options include debit cards, bank transfer, and sometimes mobile payment solutions. Once you deposit funds, they will appear instantly or within a short time depending on the method used. Withdrawing is just as straightforward. You go to the same wallet section, select withdraw, choose your method, and confirm. The platform may require additional verification for security purposes, especially for first-time withdrawals. One thing many new users overlook is understanding odds properly. On Betfair, odds are displayed in decimal format most of the time. For example, if the odds are 2.50, that means if you bet 10 units, you could win 25 units total, including your stake. Understanding this helps you make smarter decisions, instead of guessing. The mobile app also includes charts and statistics for many sports events. These can help you analyse team performance, recent results, and head-to-head records. While it might be tempting to rely only on instinct, many experienced users combine statistics with observation before placing bets. Another useful tip when using Betfair Mobile is to always double-check your bet slip before confirming. Because the interface is fast, it is easy to accidentally tap the wrong selection or enter the wrong stake. A quick review can prevent simple mistakes. As you continue using the platform, you'll also notice features like market depth, which shows how many users are backing or laying a particular outcome at different odds. This is especially useful in exchange betting because it gives you insight into how the market is moving. Security is also an important part of the mobile experience. Betfair uses encryption and secure login systems to protect user accounts. Many users also enable two-factor authentication for extra safety, which means you will need a code in addition to your password when logging in. The more you explore the mobile platform, the more you realize it is designed for speed and flexibility. Whether you are checking odds during a live match, placing a quick pre-match bet, or cashing out early, everything is optimized for mobile use. At the end of the day, using Betfair on mobile is about understanding how the exchange system works, learning how odds move, and becoming comfortable navigating the app quickly. Once you understand the basics, the mobile experience becomes very smooth and intuitive. So whether you are at home, on the move, or just checking scores during a game, the mobile platform gives you full access to everything Betfair offers, right from your phone, in real time, with constant updates and full control over your betting decisions.